Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn the Wise Parrots story. We will need one white paper, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and color pencils or any other type of paints. So let's start. To learn a parrot, we will do step by step. So this is my drawing book. I draw a circle. Take any lid and draw a circle. After drawing a circle, let's make the beak of the parrot. Now we will make small neck of the parrot. Now this curve will be extended into the tummy of the parrot, and this one will be back of the parrot. Now, I think we all know that parrot has a tail. So, let's make its tail. We'll show feathers in the tail. Now, this parrot is sitting on the branch of a tree. And this is his feet. One feet is visible to us, other feet is hidden. Then draw a circle and show the eye of the parrot. This parrot had a younger brother. Has anyone seen a parrot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, everybody has seen.
I even kept a parrot in my house.
Oh, that's good.
And it fly away.
It flew away. Okay. Okay, we will start filling the color. I'm going to use pencil colors. Once upon a time, in a deep forest, there resided a beautiful parrot. The parrot was extremely magnificent and lived there with his brother. One day, a hunter was passing through the forest when the parrots caught Hunter's eye. Hunter thought these parrots will make a good present for the king. So what he did, he set up a trap and he caught the parrots. After catching the parrots, he took them to the king and presented them to king. The king, queen, prince, princess, everybody was extremely happy to have such a beautiful gift. And king ordered his helpers to put the parrots in a golden cage and ordered them to take care of the parrots all the time. The parrots were very well fed. Everyone was taking their good care. Prince used to feed them. Prince used to play with them. Princess was very happy. She used to bring her friends to play with them. The parrots were also very, very happy. So one day, the younger parrot said, "Brother, we are so lucky to have been brought here." The older parrot said, "Yes, we are lucky that this hunter brought us here, and our life is so comfortable. We have enough food. Everybody loves us. Prince, princess, queen, king, everybody loves us. We are really lucky." The parrots were very, very happy in the palace. Their needs were looked after. They were loved. They were center of attraction. Then one day, the hunter saw a beautiful black monkey in the jungle. So he thought this black monkey will be a very good gift for the king. And he brought that black monkey to the palace. Now monkey became the main attraction in the palace. And parrots started feeling little bad because now everybody was playing with the monkey. So younger brother said, "See, from the day monkey has come, nobody is coming to play with us. What to do?" Then elder brother said, "Don't worry. Nothing is permanent in this world. You will see things change soon." Then one day, monkey started acting up and he destroyed lots of things. When guests came in front of the king, he started jumping from here to there. He disturbed everything. And now everybody was scared scared of monkey. Then king got very upset. He said, this one is creating lots of confusion in the palace. I think I should send him back to the jungle. Monkey will be happy in the jungle. So king's men took the monkey to the jungle and left him there. So monkey was happy to back again in the jungle. He was jumping from one tree to other tree. He was eating wild berries. Everything he was enjoying again. Now, when monkey was not in the palace, everybody started paying attention to parrots again. Then young one was very excited. The younger parrot said to elder one, see brother, again everybody is playing with us. I think our good days have come back. So elder parrot was very wise and he knew that nothing in the world is permanent. So he said, we should not get depressed because the time is unfavorable. Better time always comes. So let's enjoy the time. This is when the younger brother realized that his older brother was right, and so never to lose his patience in difficult time again. So you know what this story tells us? That we should not lose our patience or temper in situation when things are not in our control. We must remain calm and patient and ride the wave out. Life is full of ups and downs. Enjoying the ups and getting through the downs can be tough, as we often tend to fixate on the future. It is important to reel ourselves in and focus on the moment, that means the present. So that's the moral of the story. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for watching Vandana's Art. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing the information about my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dhanyavad.